Welcome, people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rome. Just want to say thank you guys for watching, subscribing, sharing the videos to your friends and families worldwide. We're very close to hitting that 1,000 subscribers. So please, people, go ahead, drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new, spread it out to peoples all over the world. We're very close to getting that 1,000 subscribers. We have many more to come this year. So big up yourself. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Today we're going to talk about Manchester United's win over Tottenham. Chelsea drawing. Arsenal will play later today as well. So do me a favor, referee. Let's go. People, I don't know about you, but this Chelsea team is it's surprising. It's very, very surprising. Last game they looked great. This game they had a few chances. Ball across the face of the goal. Late in the first half. I know that Ethan Pinnock a great tackle against Raheem Sterling earlier in the game as well. So that was a good tackle. A goal saving tackle at this as well. But the game ended 0-0, which is good for me because Manchester United is chasing Chelsea. So that game ended 0-0. 1 point for Chelsea. There's 1 point ahead of us now, and we're looking forward to seeing Chelsea this weekend. Liverpool won 1-0. First of all, good goal from Darwin Núñez. Very good goal from Darwin Núñez. Not going to lie. However, these cheeky little things that these guys are up to during the game is beyond me. Like my players, when they get hit, them get up and then continue play. Other players, when they get hit, them scream for the skies. Scream for the friggin' skies, fam. Like, why was Van Dijk playing the penalty spot earlier? Put him heel in the penalty spot, spinning around. I don't know if that caused Bowen for miss the goal. It probably wasn't. But we've seen occasions like this before. Van Dijk, stop fuck with the penalty spot, Barry. Stop fuck with the penalty spot. Fuck. You sick my stomach, man. I'm sick my friggin' stomach. But we're going to talk about the big game today. The Manchester United versus Tottenham. And today, that was a game, fam. That was a hell of a game. Now, I was working out today. Start workout from about 2:40. So, the game, I was watching the game on my phone. So I was watching it in and out during my workout. And it's surprising to me how Manchester United govern the football game fully for 90 minutes. We haven't done that in so long, in years and years and years. I would go as far as say since Sir Alex Ferguson left, Manchester United hasn't dominated that game that much, that long. And it was a very, very great game to watch. And I was watching it occasionally, like, we don't push up and go up, boom, do it, but it was a very, very good game to watch. And you can tell that during the periods of the game that we had control. Lose the ball, rush back to get it. Second balls, rush back to get it. Winning headers, tackles. David De Gea running out of the box, governing his penalty area, governing the box, going out to tackle, set back to defend. It was absolutely brilliant in every aspect of the game. Ten Hag said after the game that it was an enjoyable game to watch, and it was. It was a brilliant game to watch from a Manchester United perspective. Casemiro. The man was peak, fam. Very, very, very peak of a footballer. He was. Bruno. All the criticism we get from a man like Rance and all the pundits over there, the YouTube pundits, keep talking shit about Bruno keep losing the ball. He can't retain the ball. He can't score. He can't this. Look at you now, fam. Look at you now. That man showed today how great a footballer is. 92% possession in the party. 92% accuracy, Most accurate passes in the final third, That goal from the top of the box. Peach. Bruno Fernandes was phenomenal today. Phenomenal. Fred. I don't understand how you can give us one performance last week and then this performance this week. Because I tell you right now, I will tell you right now, without a shadow of a doubt, last week had me crying. I didn't even watch the game because I went to play ball in the morning. I played soccer in the morning. When I got back, I watched it maybe over 25 minutes on my phone. And I saw the clear goal that Rashford give you, and it dash away. And I was like, what the fuck, fam? There's nothing else you can do to get back into the team. So I was surprised when Ten Hag picked him on the team again. Maybe it's because, Eriksen was still recovering from his illness. But this man showed up today, and this man showed up big. Yes, the goal was deflected, but my word, people. My word, what a player he was today. What a player that he was today. He wasn't there last game against Newcastle, but this game. I don't know if because, Tottenham gave him a lot of space. Maybe not. But today, this guy showed what he can do as a player next to him with Casemiro. Rashford. Fam, you're missing too much chances now, Parry. You have two easy chances where you open up the goal. All you have to do is place it. You don't have to kick the ball with all your might, Parry. You don't have to kick the ball with all your might. I know that Lloris right now his hand is burning because of the pace that you kick on the ball. 2 shots straight to him. Come on, fam. Come on. Place the ball. You can kick it with place, but place the ball in the corner, Parry. Put it in the corner. Don't try to kick it too hard, too straight. Put it in the corner. You have 3 clear goals today. You have 2 in the last game. 20 minutes to play in the last game. 2 clear goals. This game, 3 clear goals. Come on, people. Rashford, get it right. Get it right. I'm hoping that Marshall can come back next game, play and show me that you can maintain your fitness for 1 game. That's how I give. I'll get 1 game. Then we can work on a 2nd game and a 3rd game, but just 1 game. Just play 1 game and not injured. Please. Next person is Sancho. No, Sancho was effective in the game of what he was asked to do. I get that. Ten Hag. I get that. Get in the ball, move the ball quickly, try to get around your man. I get that. But this opposite number, which was Anthony. Yes. No, Anthony got the ball and he was looking to take people on. I see him spin on Perisic like a gig today. That's what I want from Sancho. I want you to use whatever speed you have left, plus your skills, play around players. Get around them, pass it. I'd like to see the synergy back with Sancho and Luke Shaw. Maybe it's not there yet. Luka is playing great. Luke Shaw is playing absolutely brilliant. But we need to get Sancho back to where he was. We need to get you back to where he was. But we're working on you. Ten Hag will be working on you without a doubt. Without the shadow of a doubt. But I'm not going to lie. This game was absolutely brilliant from a Manchester United perspective. From a Tottenham perspective, I don't know what's going on. Now, I thought Tottenham was going to show up and show out and try to get the title from Manchester City this year. But that's not going to be the case. After the 6 or so games, I realized that Tottenham is not the pragmatic, assertive type of football team that it once was. This team that Conte has developed is a team that defends then attack, and defends fully in 5 and then attack in 3s. And it's not effective. It's just a fast football, as what expression say. I don't like it. And the beating that them get here says that it should have 5 love, It should have 5 love them get. Because 1 shot them get was offside and then we take it and go score. I should have 5 love them get. So my point is, as Tottenham fans, you need to start thinking about your options with Conte, because it doesn't look too good. Not looking good at all. Next weekend, Tottenham have Newcastle, Manchester United have Chelsea, down at Chelsea. Let's get out and get that win on Saturday. I'll be streaming the game Saturday live. Manchester United versus Chelsea. Make sure you're ready. Make sure you're there if we talk about it. Make sure you talk about it with your friends and families. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Again, Manchester United won today, which brings us 1 point behind Chelsea, 3 points behind Liverpool, behind Tottenham. We're looking up now, people. We are looking up. Gone are the days when we're looking back and trying to stay 2nd, 4th, 5th, 6th. We're looking up now, people. We are looking up. Best of yourself. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the fourth official with your boy Rome. Best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.